Aren't you tired of incoherent institute committees and the system to create new committees? Don't you want to improve your institute's working and thereby brand imaging in this aspect? Introducing Meet CS's IQAC committees module. At every step of the hierarchy, we have different attributes for you. Whether you are a director or an admin, head of the committee, or just a member, we have more features than you could imagine. Here you can create new committees as per your requirements. Here you can create and add new roles. Using this feature, you can assign the particular role to all the members. Select a committee, add the member and then assign what their role in the committee would be. Here, you would be able to communicate with your members by sending them notifications via email, SMS or both. This feature shows you all the details of the meetings that have been conducted by the committee till now. You can view and download the details of all the members from here. You can create an n number of committees, ranging from anti-ragging cell, governing body, and IQAC cell to even student council and NSS with just a few clicks. So, why wait?